To start, open the standard square canvas in Procreate. Draw your shape or import a file and try to fill the square as much as possible. I wanted to use my logo here, so I just copy and pasted that from another canvas. Once you're happy with the positioning, save the image as a JPEG to your device. And I'm just going to hide this layer to keep my canvas nice and clean. Next, open up your brush library and pull down slightly on your list to reveal this little plus symbol at the top. Go ahead and tap that to create your own set so your stamp doesn't get mixed in with any other sets, and call it whatever you like. From here, you can tap on the next little plus symbol to add a brush. Next, tap on Shape in the left column, and then tap this Edit button just above the shape. Choose Import and import a photo to find your file, and choose the image you just saved in the previous steps. Once your shape is good to go, tap the screen once with 2 fingers to invert the colours, and then tap Done. You can clear the drawing pad here to test it out. Just tap this little symbol that looks like a pen on a canvas and then clear drawing pad. I would also increase the size to 100%. Something to consider here is that if you use a firmer pressure, the stamp keeps repeating itself, which is fine if that's what you'd like, but I really want some crisp, clean edges. To change this, go into Stroke Path and change this spacing option to 100%. This changes how many times the brush shape stamps itself along the path when you make a stroke. So if this was at 0%, there will be no space left between the stamps and this stroke will look like one continuous line. And if I move it back up to 100% here and try the same stroke, you'll see how much space there is between the stamps, so one clean stamp will be easy. Once you're all set, tap Done and start using your new stamp. As an example of how I use mine, I'll add my logo to this piece. So I'll choose white, turn that size up as high as it goes, and with a bit of light pressure, I have a subtle logo here in the corner. If I want it not so subtle, I'll just increase the pressure. Now, if my work gets shared from one of my platforms, my mark will be there. I hope this helps.